Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to private your featured photos on Facebook. Now there is no way for you to fully privatize your featured photos on Facebook. There are different people who say you can go to settings and privacy, and then you can scroll to find your stories, and then from here, who can see your stories. You can really only select, for example, custom, but you will still need to send it to someone on your specific friends list. Or if you do, for example, to hide from friends and then you could choose, you need to have someone selected who can view them. So you can't fully privatize it. Now, the only way that I've seen how you can actually privatize your featured photos is if you make a second Facebook account, you can easily just go to custom and select that one profile. I will select this person, for example. You can select your second account as the only person who can see your featured photos. And then from there, you can now save changes and save. And you'll see that that is now the only person, aka you, because it's your second account. You'll be the only person who can see your featured photos on Facebook. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.